In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your account on Pinterest. For some reason, you want to deactivate your account on Pinterest. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Pinterest homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Continue to tap on this three dot on the top right corner. A pop-up menu will appear. Proceed to tap on settings, and this will land you on an interface like this. Continue to tap on account management. Among the list of options here, proceed to tap on deactivate account. As you correctly see, deactivating your account means no one will see your pins or profile, and you'll no longer be linked to your YouTube, Etsy, or Pins or Instagram. So if you wish to deactivate it, all you have to do is to continue to tap on continue, and that's it. You have successfully deactivated your account on Pinterest. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.